I started, in Brooklyn. Went to school in Brooklyn, grew up in Brooklyn, and I actually grew up in Coney Island helping out my family, and went to school, and basically studied a lot of chemistry and so on. Coming out of school, I didn't really want to do a whole lot with the chemistry as far as being a chemist, and I got fortunate. My father had gone to a chiropractor, and he came home, he was excited, he felt good, and he got me excited. So I decided to take a look at chiropractic, and I did. And I went to Chiropractic College in Manhattan at the time, and 4 years later, graduated with honors, and I became a chiropractor. And I enjoyed the schooling and the practice of chiropractic very much.
And where did you go to school?
At the time, it was called the Columbia Institute of Chiropractic. Okay, it was a very nice small school, Upper West Side, and really learned a lot. And the whole healing thing really got to me. My first clinics basically all in the Brooklyn area, because we're going back to 1967.
Oh, wow.
So I had a number of clinics and offices in Brooklyn. And then I decided to go to Manhattan, where I opened up some very large chiropractic holistic facilities with all kinds of doctors. And we helped a lot of people, and I did that for many, many, many years. And as time went on, it was like time to finish up the Manhattan thing, and I actually came back to Brooklyn.
Did you?
Yeah, I came back to Brooklyn and opened up a little office, to keep myself busy. And I feel very good about that. And right now I'm getting an opportunity to really help people use all my skills and my new cutting edge techniques, things I've learned over the years, and new stuff that I do that very few chiropractors are doing. And because of that, I'm getting this phenomenal result. Very happy, satisfied people that came to me, and some of them in extreme pain. And when they left, there was minimal to no pain. I'm using some very cutting-edge techniques these days. Besides the regular chiropractic adjustment and manipulation to correct spinal subluxation, which of course, gets the brain communicating with the body, and that causes healing. Before we get to that place, I use a technique called electrotherapeutic point stimulation. And that incorporates, innervating the nerves, relaxing muscle, relaxing trigger points and treating trigger points, increasing circulation, and it also has an endorphin effect. So when I'm finished with you using this electrotherapeutic technique, you are out of pain or pretty close to it.
Is there an address?
Yeah, well, you can find me. You can find me on my, communicate with me on my email at mel@drkanan.com, or you can give me a call at 347-673-5237. And if you happen to be cruising around Brooklyn in the Sheepshead Bay area, the address is 2701 Ocean Avenue, and that's in the Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn area, and the zip is 11229.
Are there any subways around here?
There are plenty of buses, and you got a subway running into Sheepshead Bay, and there's parking available, so not difficult to find me. Give me a shout. Let's see if I can help you. No reason for you to walk around in a lot of pain. And with this new cutting edge stuff that I'm doing, we should be able to take care of your problem.
And let me ask you just one last question.
Yes.
What does it feel like to come home to Brooklyn?
With Brooklyn, I grew up here. I spent a lot of years of my life here. I did a full circle. Now I came back to my roots, and I'm enjoying it. And, people need help wherever you are. And, I had a lot of spare time on my hands, and I wanted to do something valuable with it. So that's what I'm doing right now, being able to bring these new techniques and this healing to a lot of people that really, really need it. And so far, so good. Everyone is really doing well.
And how does it feel to be around family and old friends you haven't seen?
Family and old friends, I never left them. I just came closer to them, and it's beautiful to be around old friends and family. You feel warm, and it's a valuable experience. For me, it's a valuable experience. Coming back to my roots, for me, is it's probably a very, very high time in my life, and I'm really enjoying it.
Well, thank you so much for this interview.
Well, thank you for interviewing me, and for all those out there, give me a shout, give me a call. You have a question, call. I'm always willing to answer and see if we can help you. So take care and feel good.